Opening a duplicate window in Microsoft Excel is one of my favorite features. This is because I use multiple monitors. I usually have a second monitor that I make available when I'm working on a financial model or just a workbook or comparing data. I find it very helpful that Excel has this option where you can have a workbook shown on two screens. It's essentially the same workbook, just two different windows open. And you can navigate each independently. So you can have one tab open on one screen and the same workbook with another tab open, or the same tab, but on another screen. This gives you the ability to make a comparison between two different areas of a workbook while running them simultaneously. All you need to do is to navigate to the View tab in the top ribbon and then click the New Window button. This will open up another window. Now you might be asking, how do you close it? Well, you actually just need to click the X in the top right corner of the second window to close it. And you actually need to do that before you save the file. Otherwise, when you try to reopen the file at a later time, it'll open up both windows. So proper thing is to just make sure you close out that second window and then save the workbook once you're finished working on it, to avoid both windows from reappearing when you're later opening up that file. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.